So this is it, guys, and I'm telling you, it's pretty much been a week since we've been filming anything. At first, like, battery chargers failed on me, but you know something that's been really, really good, that one. I think I've dropped it a couple of times and that's going to be it, you know, so we've got a new one. That's Frank's battery, and that is the Fireblade battery. So, as per usual, guys, look, stealing the fuse, check it out, like that. And what I'm going to do is nip off these wires here, because these crocodile clips are really good, so I want to keep them. So there you go, and that'll just have to go in a bit. Ooh, reciprocating saw, people. Me and Dav's pretty much left the lorry the way we left it, eh? So when we're having our sleepover up here, eh? A sleepover, what? So guys, since we were last here, the trusty generator is on, people, it's on! Right, so let's go for this cut. Right, so guys, what we've done is, that used to be the old door. You can go up like that and you have to go underneath. Now, of course, that's no use. So we've cut that bit off like that, drilled holes at that side, which I'll show you in a minute, and this will be David's way through. That'll be awesome. Yeah, so now we're into the other side, and what we're going to do is just draw straight lines down, and let David have a shot of the reciprocating saw to cut all the way down, and that'll look cool. And check it out, people. Nice white roof, that gives a bit extra light. Yeah, with ventilation. Right, so me and the boy are now on the trailer, aren't we, Sonny boy? Check it out, guys. Now, this is a hay bale trailer, and we had it, well, we got it last year from an old Caravan, didn't we? Ripped off the top, got the stuff out for the lorry, and now we're flooring out because we're almost back to hay bale season. So I need to basically get this thing done now. That's okay though, son? So what I'm doing is just creating an edge. Look, you'll see the edge going across there all the way around. And that's 10, 12 mil ply, big sheets on there like that. Well, we've got a little bit more money, we'll put a big, like a galvanised box in the front that's lockable. You know, for the big ropes and stuff we put it on with. So me and the boy have been working hard, people. Yeah. Been working hard. So we've got this side on, look, as you can see, and you see the legs are down? So now what we're going to think about is trailer board to go on there, eh, son? And yeah, so basically we've got that, just the same as this, then we've got the centre section. And these things here, we're still thinking about using these to keep the hay bales off the ground, which would work and keep the bales dry. So we need to think about that. There's 1, 2, 3 of them, and we could put them up on there. But I want to be able to fit an IBC tank on the front, so we'll have to measure the bales again and see. So if we can try and get 3 on plus a big water tank on the front, that'll be awesome. Look what we've got. Look what we've got. And Emily is just doing Herbie's feet just now, look.
For a ride.
For a ride. Hey boy. Well, I'm going to ride in a little while because the weather has been awful, hasn't it? We've had quite a summer.
This is a nice evening.
Yeah, look. No, look at him. So he's just had his carrots and his apples and his mints, haven't you, darling? You're looking sleepy, but we're going to have to get you going. I'm sorry. So as you can see, young Dabs is on it, people. He's on it, so that's where Emily's going to get up on. We really need to build proper ones, but that one works okay for just now. Oh yeah, we'll lay it against the... I'll do it a little slightly different way. But yeah, look, away they go. And just a beautiful night up here tonight, look. I see you, look, he's wanting to go out for a hike, look at this.
Okay, since we can't do that right now.
When we come for a wander, we'll go to the other side of the fields. Good boy, that is so good for your mummy. Yeah, so lots of encouragement. First day in just a little while, isn't it, darling? Oh, it just looks amazing all done up, don't you, darling? Look at you. I know, and you always follow me, don't you? We're best buds, aren't we? We're best buds, aren't we? Yeah. Look at this, the professional horse. Look, guys. He's no stranger to being ridden this one. Now, for those of you who watch for the first time, Herbie is an ex-racehorse.
He was a racehorse until he was about 4, but then he was retired because he didn't reach the standards.
Yeah. You're fast, son, but you weren't overly interested, were you? Here, there he is. Good boy, come on. Good boy. And here we go uphill. So Emily leans forward a bit. Up he comes. Come on then, boy. Good boy. Look at him. Good boy. Good boy. You're just warming up, aren't you, son? Yeah, we don't need Herbie going full steam though, do we?
Not quite yet.
He can really go away. There's Mummy beside the hay bale trailer, look. Covering up from the midges. It's getting better, look. I see Mummy. I see your mama. Oh. He's a good boy. You missed all this, didn't you, darling? You're so good, aren't you? You're so good. Well done, you darling. I'm so proud of you. Back. Back. Come on. Oh, he's okay. Come on then. This way. Good boy. Come on then. Come on then. Yeah.
That'll have to be something we'll have to work on.
Yeah. Ah, he's okay. Just getting you warmed up again, aren't you? You're just getting warmed up.
There's a David.
Herbie is a pro, aren't you?
And there's a David over there.
Yeah. Herbie is the pro, people. Yeah. Where's David? Where's David? There he is, look. Yeah.
Popping over to the other side, so he's playing with
That's
the
a
circle.
good boy, Herbie. Yeah, the ragwort kind of beat us again this year, guys, but at least it's dying and get it all picked up. But of course, there'll still be seeds. We'll just have to battle with it for a bit longer, eh? We'll just have to battle with it a bit longer, but we're getting there. And you'll see the grass getting a bit yellow now. I'm doing the hay bale trailer.
Yeah, it's starting to get to hay season.
Yeah. Eh? You'll be all happy at first, won't you, when you hay? Yeah. Is that it? Off she comes. Good boy. Oh, you'll be a bit itchy head. We're going to come in and get all the stuff off you then. That good boy you are. Oh. And in he comes. Oh, you did so well. So as afterwards, Guy, a nice juicy apple for you. Makes you so good. You're always so good on the saddle, aren't you? You have your moments when the saddles are off. But he's very, very good, aren't you, man? Good boy. Yeah, it's a different thing for Emily being the rider and me being the stable boy. Listen. Yes.
Hi.
Well done, you. Good boy.
Lovely boy.
Yeah. Let's see what the boy is up to. Look, the bum scratch.
Just itching the booty.
You stitching the booty, darling? Right. He's tired, so he's a wee bit upset just when he's tired, aren't you, darling? Yeah, come on then. Good boy. He's itching himself. Where's my brush? Where's my brush for him? Check it out though, we're back onto the hay bale trailer because Herbie needs hay soon. That is the next job. So for those of you that don't know, this used to be a Caravan way back. And we used it for hay bales last year. I couldn't get it done on time, but of course now we're getting it done and it's starting to look really good. 7-metre Caravan, twin axle one, you see, with the leggies, which is great. And this year, what I want to do is put on black sheeting, so it's nice and waterproof, and we'll raise the bales up off the deck with these things here. I'll have to cut them to size, plus put on a proper trailer board at the back with lights and reflectors and number plate and all sorts of stuff for it. Yeah, and just fix these arches. Again, it's just finances at the minute, it's just the usual, you know, guys. But, you know, put a big metal containing box in the front here, just for the spare wheel and all the different things that go with it. I like that sort of thing, you know, just contain it. And this trailer should last us quite some time. Yeah, I mean, I actually saw a big one there out for a hat, probably the same height as Herbie, eh? Pretty smaller. Yeah. That's the hay coming in now, isn't it? Yeah, that's the hay coming in. You can even hear that car there. Electric car. Yeah, so I hope you can see the trailer actually coming together now. Yeah, so I've laid on these, I'm just screwing them all down just now and putting along these edges, you see. You'll see the next one going on there. And we've got this old piece of batten, which I'm going to put in the back because it needs a trailer board, you know, with the license plate and the indicators and all that sort of stuff, you know. But I think the plan is it's going to be lino, you know, like kitchen lino, just plain black kitchen lino, like that, right the way to the front, I think. And I think we'll put another batten on, because you can see here, spare wheel there, and here I want to put one of those, you know, that aluminium toolboxes you open and shut, it's lockable, and that means you can put in all the accessories that go with this. Not just spares. The spare wheel, well, no, it won't fit. We'll have to mount it, I think. Yeah, an old caravan boy, got boys and girls coming together. And there he is, people, look. Eh, bromance, eh boy, just love that horsey, don't I? Yes. So for those of you watching for the first time, it's young Herbie boy, isn't it, darling? He's 15, ex-Irish racehorse for 4 years, weren't you, darling? And 10 years up at Loch Ness with his previous owner. Now he's with us, eh, darling? He's just so lovely. He's got quite a temperament, you know. I think he was bullied a little bit, you know, by the other horses and stuff like that, eh, boyo? And I think they're quite harsh on them sometimes, you know, in training, you know, breaking them for horse riding, you know, for horse racing. So we have been giving him loveys upon loveys upon loveys upon loveys for months now. Hey, darling, and he's just changing and changing, aren't you? Slowly. We'll just keep working as long as possible, won't we, darling? But anyway, look, here we go. For you, Herbie, of course. But yeah, I need to put on these edges. You see these edges either side? It's because we tie strap underneath, so we need something very solid on the side, you know, for the tie strap to come up and hold the bale down. But I'm thinking on this back piece here like that. And we have a trailer board. Not that one because it's kind of going. But a trailer board over there somewhere, which I'm going to use to put on the back of there. And as usual, not that I'm complaining at all, love it. Just heading back to see David and Emily for supper time. But yeah, that's it, really starting to come together now, look. That should be very, very cool once done. Oh guys, just coming together, slowly but surely. Yeah, so the trailer really, really strong by itself, guys, absolutely. But after a while, you know, the edges, because the chassis, you can see, goes like that, the edges here are very difficult. So I've got the ply on now, and now I'm putting these battens on like that, and this thing will be as strong as a rock, I'll tell you. And because we're only sort of really towing, you know, 3 bales, it's like a 1.5 tons maybe. You know, this Caravan would have weighed 2 tons when it was all together, you know, so no hassle for it. Young Dav's making the trailer look super, look. See the difference? We'll wash it even more, but you'll see the difference, look. We'll make it look really nice. It's going to be black. And then we'll just varnish these and it'll look amazing. Just give them a nice good brush all over, look. And now, here he goes. And down he goes. Look at that for a lovely night as well. Go on then. Whoa! Oh, over he goes. What the size of a boy. Whoa, there he goes. Good boy. Now last time he bolted, so just get back, but I think he's okay. Good boy. And look at my work partner, people. Oh no, he's getting into the paint tin. Thank you. Yeah, so just doing a bit of work, got the generator on. He's quite happy, off you'll go. He said, have you look at what I'm doing? And there we go, another warm up, EMs, another warm up. The Herbie boy, get him moving. Yeah, Emily's just going to wander him around the field. Just see how he gets on, but he seems happy enough today. It's nice and mild, isn't it? And look, he's a tired boy today, aren't you, son? Yeah. He's tired, but he's still having a lot of fun, aren't you? Yeah.
I just realised I have molasses on my hand.
I know, me too.
I wasn't even feeding him molasses.
I can't go yet, guys, look. But David and Xander are in the Fort Scots, aren't they? Having spam and meatballs.
Yeah.
But we've got Herbie to do, haven't we, darling? The hay bale time, show mummy. Onto the trailer, guys, check it out. So they've got 1/2 ton each, I think, isn't it, son? There we go. Yeah, and Emily is one happy choppy today, people. Check it out. Hey, getting a little shot of someone else's horse. Oh, that is so nice. And they come. On it comes, the final bale. 1, 2, 3. I think the trailer would take 4, but remember it is an older Caravan trailer, so I think 3's fine. 4 would be really pushing it. When it's sunny, boy, we're looking good. Check it out. Just pulled up with the hay. I'm not sure he quite gets what's happening, but you will any minute now. Where's your boy? Where's your big boy? Hey, Daddy's big boy. Come on then. What is this, Herbie? What's this? Oh, you still want your mints? Oh dear Lord. He is a creature of habit, isn't he? What is this for you? Oh, what is that? There we go. All done. All done. What's this? What's this? It's just not sure, are you, darling? What's that? Oh, what is that? Is that Herbie's? Is that yours? What's this? There he goes. Yay. So guys, Herbie's first hay bale of the year, look. He's just kind of... And Emily and David up top, look. How's that, my boy? And of course we've got the trailer, well, it's almost done, still a little bit to go. But yeah, look at him. Oh, what is that? What is that? Yeah, here she goes, look, Mummy's present to Herbie, look, 3 bales of hay and he is delighted. I think he's just realising, hold on, this is hay, I remember this stuff. Eh? Yes, we'll have to set up properly this time around. We've learnt from our mistakes, but I think we'll just use tarps again, eh guys?
Yep.
Yeah, he's already going for it. Need a bib for him, don't we? A bib.
We need a bib for around the whole trailer.
Is that good, darling? Emily's heaven, you guys, look. Emily's heaven, just being with a hussy. Yeah, that good boy. It will be, yeah, the hay bales will be welcome to you, Herbie. It's his first hay of the year, isn't it, darling? Yeah.